Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the BSP indicator, also known as the buy-sell pressure indicator, on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator helps us visualize buying and selling pressure on the chart so we can make decisions for our positions based on that. When this indicator shows positive values, it indicates that buying pressure is greater than selling pressure, and overall, the market trend is bullish. And when this indicator shows negative values,
do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
It indicates that selling pressure is greater than buying pressure, and overall, the market trend is bearish. The indicator also displays histograms. When these histograms are dark blue in color, it indicates that we are currently experiencing a strong bullish trend in the market, meaning that prices are rising steadily and buyers are in control. On the other hand, when their color shifts to a lighter shade of blue, it shows that the bullish trend is becoming weaker, suggesting that the upward momentum is slowing down and the strength of the buyers is diminishing. Similarly, for a bearish trend, when the color is dark red, it indicates a strong downtrend. And when it is pink, it shows a relatively weak downtrend overall. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the calculation period of this indicator. The higher we set this value, the smoother the line will be, and we can filter out sudden changes. The next option is the calculation method of this indicator and the moving average it contains, which we can choose from among these options. And we can also specify the smoothing period of this indicator here. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Here, the difference with the MT5 version is that we can actually change the colors of the histograms, specifically in the input settings. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.